Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my dear friends. It's Missy here. Welcome back to our Calm English Corner. I'm really happy you're here with me today. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let this moment be slow and peaceful. Today's story is about learning to wake up earlier. But it's not only about time. It's about habits, patience, and being kind to yourself. While you listen, you will practice. Present simple tense. Adverbs like usually, often, slowly, gently, sometimes. This story is simple, real, and honest, just like daily life. So now, let's begin. For a long time, my mornings felt heavy. Most days, my alarm rang and I didn't move. I often pressed the snooze button. Once, twice, sometimes 3 times. I told myself, I still have time. But somehow, time always disappeared. When I finally woke up, I felt rushed. My body felt slow. My mind felt busy. I usually checked my phone immediately. I often scrolled without thinking. I rarely noticed how I felt. Sometimes I skipped breakfast. Sometimes I drank coffee too quickly. I moved fast, but I didn't feel awake. My mornings were not peaceful. They were loud, fast, and stressful. And every morning I asked myself the same question. Why do I always feel tired? The wish to wake up earlier didn't come suddenly. It came quietly. One morning, I sat on my bed and stayed still. I didn't check my phone. I didn't stand up right away. I just sat and listened. I noticed how tired I felt, even after sleeping. I noticed how rushed my mornings were. I often saw videos online about morning routines. People woke up early. They smiled. They looked calm. I didn't want to copy them, but I wanted one thing: a calmer beginning. I didn't say I must wake up early. I said, I want to try. That small sentence felt safe. I knew something about myself. When I try to change too much, too fast, I usually stop. I get tired. I feel pressure. I feel disappointed. So this time, I chose to be careful. I didn't wake up 1 hour earlier. I didn't promise myself a perfect morning. I didn't make a long list of rules. Instead, I made one very small change. I moved my alarm 15 minutes earlier. That was all. When I looked at the time, it didn't feel scary. 15 minutes felt possible. It felt gentle. The first morning, my alarm rang, and I felt confused. My body wanted to sleep. My eyes felt heavy. I thought, why did I do this? Sometimes I woke up. Sometimes I didn't. Some mornings, I stayed in bed and listened to the alarm ring again. Other mornings, I opened my eyes and sat up slowly. I reminded myself every day. I am practicing. I am learning. I wasn't trying to win. I wasn't trying to be perfect. I was just trying to show up. After a few days, I noticed something important. The mornings felt easier when I stopped fighting them. Before, I always felt angry at my alarm. I felt rushed. I felt annoyed. Now, I tried something new. When my alarm rang, I stayed still for a moment. I didn't grab my phone. I didn't think about work or plans. I simply noticed my body. I opened my eyes slowly. I stretched my arms gently. I moved my legs a little. Sometimes I yawned. Sometimes I smiled softly. I usually took one deep breath. I felt the air go in and out. I told myself quietly, "It's okay. You're awake now." This small kindness made waking up feel safer. With those extra minutes, my mornings began to change. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but slowly. I usually got out of bed without rushing. I often drank a glass of water first. I walked to the kitchen calmly. I noticed the quiet sound of the morning. Sometimes the sky was bright. Sometimes it was still dark. I didn't turn on loud music. I didn't check messages right away. Instead, I let my body wake up naturally. I prepared a simple breakfast. Nothing special, just something warm and easy. I ate slowly. I chewed carefully. I stayed present. These small actions helped me feel grounded. Of course, not every morning felt good. Some nights, I slept late. Some mornings, I felt very tired. Sometimes I pressed snooze again. Sometimes I stayed in bed longer. Before, I would feel angry at myself. I would think, I failed again. But this time, I chose a different voice. I said, today is just one day. I learned that habits don't grow in a straight line. They grow slowly with ups and downs. Some days I woke up earlier. Other days I didn't. And both days were okay. What mattered was this: I didn't quit. Over time, waking up earlier taught me something deeper. It taught me that habits are not about discipline only. They are about understanding. I learned that my body needs time. I learned that my mind needs kindness. When I pushed myself too hard, I wanted to stop. When I supported myself, I wanted to continue. I usually succeed when I move slowly. I often stay consistent when I forgive mistakes. This habit wasn't really about mornings. It was about learning how to treat myself gently. Now, my mornings feel different. I usually wake up earlier than before. Not very early. Not perfectly, but earlier enough to breathe. I often enjoy the quiet time. I sometimes sit near the window. I sometimes just stay still. I feel more prepared for the day. I feel less rushed. I feel calmer. Waking up earlier didn't change everything in my life, but it changed how my day begins. And that small change made a big difference. Now, let's slow down together. You don't need to answer quickly. There is no right or wrong answer. This is just a quiet moment for you. Take a gentle breath in and slowly breathe out. Think about your mornings. How do you usually wake up? Do you wake up suddenly or slowly? Do you usually feel calm, tired, or rushed? When your alarm rings, what do you often do first? Do you press snooze? Do you check your phone? Do you stay still for a moment? Notice your habits without judging them. Now think about how your mornings make you feel. Do you usually feel prepared for the day? Or do you often feel behind before the day even starts? It's okay if your answer is not positive. Awareness is the first step. Now, think about change. When you want to change a habit, how do you usually do it? Do you try to change everything at once? Or do you change one small thing? Think about a habit you tried to build before. Maybe it worked. Maybe it didn't. What helped you continue? What made you stop? Now, imagine a gentle morning. You wake up a little earlier. Not very early, just a little. You move slowly. You breathe deeply. You don't rush. How does that feel in your body? In your mind? You don't need to do this every day. You don't need to be perfect. Now ask yourself one simple question. What is one small thing I can do tomorrow morning? Maybe wake up 5 minutes earlier. Drink water slowly. Stretch gently. Sit quietly for 1 minute. Choose only one. Finally, say this sentence quietly to yourself. I am learning, not rushing. I am building habits slowly. I am kind to myself. Stay with this feeling for a moment. You're doing well, even by listening. Present simple. We use present simple for habits, routines, daily actions. Examples. I usually wake up early. I drink water every morning. I feel calm. Adverbs of frequency. These words tell us how often. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. They come before the verb, I usually wake up early. I sometimes feel tired. Adverbs of manner. These tell us how we do something. Slowly, gently, calmly, quietly. Examples. I wake up slowly. I move gently. Thank you for listening today. Remember, you don't need to wake up early tomorrow. You only need to be kind today. Habits grow slowly, just like you. I'll see you again soon, right here in our Calm English Corner. Good night and take care.